Your doors do more than provide entry and exit. They shape first impressions, influence comfort, and contribute to security. Over time, even well-built doors can begin to show signs of wear. Fading finishes, sticking frames, drafts, and outdated styles can make a home feel tired. The good news is that replacing worn-out doors can completely transform your space. For homeowners in Redmond, replacement doors offer a powerful upgrade that turns everyday entrances into standout features. The hidden impact of worn-out doors: older doors often develop issues gradually. You may notice difficulty opening or closing them, visible gaps along the frame, or hardware that no longer works smoothly. In Redmond homes, worn-out doors can affect more than appearance. They may allow drafts inside, reduce energy efficiency, and compromise security. What seems like a minor inconvenience can have a noticeable impact on daily comfort. A fresh look that elevates curb appeal. One of the most immediate benefits of replacement doors is improved exterior appearance. In Redmond neighborhoods, an updated entry door instantly enhances curb appeal. Clean lines, modern finishes, and updated hardware create a welcoming first impression that reflects care and attention to detail. Boosting interior style: replacement doors are not limited to front entries. Interior and patio doors also contribute to a home's overall aesthetic. For Redmond homeowners, replacing outdated doors can refresh living spaces, improve flow, and create a more cohesive interior design. Improving everyday comfort: doors that no longer seal properly can create drafts and temperature inconsistencies. Replacement doors are designed with improved insulation and tighter seals. In Redmond homes, this helps maintain stable indoor temperatures and eliminates uncomfortable air leaks near entryways. Enhancing security and peace of mind: security is a top priority for homeowners. Older doors may have weakened frames or outdated locking mechanisms. New replacement doors in Redmond homes feature stronger materials and advanced hardware systems. This upgrade provides added confidence and protection for your household. Reducing noise intrusion: doors also play a role in controlling outside noise. Worn seals or thin materials may allow unwanted sounds to travel indoors. Replacement doors help reduce noise infiltration, contributing to a quieter, more peaceful environment in Redmond residences. Smooth operation and reliability: sticking, sagging, or misaligned doors can be frustrating. Replacement doors are installed to fit precisely within the frame. For Redmond homeowners, this means smooth operation every time you open or close the door. Improved alignment prevents wear and ensures long-term performance. Energy efficiency: that makes a difference. Energy efficiency is another advantage of upgrading worn-out doors. Modern replacement doors help reduce heat transfer and limit air leakage. In Redmond homes, this supports consistent comfort and improved indoor performance throughout the year. Increasing property value: well-maintained and updated features contribute to long-term home value. Replacement doors in Redmond properties signal thoughtful upgrades to potential buyers. Even if you are not planning to sell, enhancing your home's appearance and performance is a valuable investment. From ordinary to outstanding, replacing worn-out doors can transform the look and feel of your home more than many larger renovations. For homeowners in Redmond, replacement doors turn outdated, inefficient entryways into attractive, secure, and comfortable features. By improving curb appeal, boosting comfort, and enhancing security, new doors create that wow factor, proving that a simple upgrade can make a lasting impact on your home's beauty and functionality.